How to fix headphone not working on Windows. To fix headphone not working on Windows, try 1. Replug your headphone in and restart your computer. 2. Re-enable your playback device. 3. Set headphone as default device. 4. Updating your audio driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. For Realtek HD audio users, check disable front panel jack detection in connector settings under Realtek HD Audio Manager. 6. Uninstall IDT audio driver from Programs and Features or from Device Manager.